Akro Mills 44 drawer 10144, plastic parts storage hardware and craft cabinet, 20-inch WX 6-inch DX 16-inch H, black, 1 pack. Cabinet dimensions 20-inch x 6 3/8 inch x 10 1/4 inch, drawer dimensions 6-inch x 2 1/4 inch x 1 to 5/8 inch, small drawer 6-inch x 4/2 inch x 2 to 3/16 inch, large drawer. High-quality rugged, high-impact polystyrene plastic frame and 44 drawers. Great for storing and organizing classroom or office supplies, crafts, beads or sewing supplies, hardware, Lego and small toy storage, fishing gear and more. Stacker wall mount cabinets stack securely and can also be wall mounted using keyhole slots molded into the back of the cabinet. Dividable drawers 8 small drawer dividers, 4 large drawer dividers included, and come molded into the back of the cabinet. Finger grip drawer pulls provide easy access and rear stop tabs prevent contents from spilling.